All right, so I'm just kind of unbox this. Like I said, this is my second one. I do see where the collectors don't want to open them up, because I do love that art. And that's the reason why I bought a second one, because I wanted one to open up. Let's do that real quick. All right. So again, here's a Skyline. The Nismo graphics, the newer Nismo graphics, going along the hood, going along the car. R34 Skyline, rubber wheels, metal on metal, pretty heavy. I like it. Here is the Aerolift that came with it. Definitely has the paint scheme to match and stuff like that, but the problem is there's nothing on it. If it would have been cool if it was like, you know, a Nissan Atlas that had like Nismo stuff on it, but that's the reason why I got the Nissan Garage one, because I was like, this Aerolift has at least Nissan name, and I'm a huge Nissan fan. So but other than that, these are pretty much the same besides color scheme and graphics. And yeah, pretty much the same. This one has more traction on the wheels. This is just bald tires, as you can see. But like I said, I really wanted to open it up because I'm gonna do an unboxing of the Nismo Pit in a few minutes. But here is the Nissan Skyline Aerolift Team Transport set.